For this whole self meditation, find yourself sitting comfortably, ideally in a chair with your back lovely and straight and your feet flat on the floor. Settling into the chair and allowing that chair to take the weight of your body, and feeling the floor taking the weight of your legs, your whole body resting here. And begin by bringing your attention to your physical body. Start by noticing any sensations, on the surface of the body, your skin, feeling clothes against your body, and sensations inside the body. Notice the position of your body. Notice the position of your body and the shape of your body. Bring your awareness to the highest point of your body. And bring your attention to the lowest point. And then to the whole of the space between. Feeling the heaviness of your bones, the vibrancy of your organs, the strength and movement of muscles, blood, oxygen flowing. Noticing your whole body, 600 trillion cells. And notice this is your body. And you are more than this. And so bring your awareness to your head, brain, to the brain sitting inside your skull, this coordinator of the body, of the nervous system, this transmitter of thoughts and ideas, this part of you that carries out logic and rational thinking and makes sense of things. This head brain that carries some of the key intelligence in the body, in yourself. And the thoughts that are created, the electrical impulses that produce thought. And notice you have this head brain, you have thoughts, and you are more than this. And so bring your attention now to your heart center and the cardiac brain, this neurological center that has the strongest and widest magnetic field in your body and its own set of intelligences, important intelligences, like knowing what you value, what is important to you, what matters to you most. The heart brain that gives you the experience of relating and connecting with others, and where you experience your emotions, your ability to love, to feel sadness, to feel delighted and peaceful. This is your heart, and you are more than this. And so circle your attention down now to your gut, to your belly, and to what is called the enteric brain, another neurological center, larger and with more neurons than the heart brain, with another set of very important intelligences. It is your gut brain that tracks what is right for you and what is not right for you, what you want to move towards, what you want to move away from, what you want to choose that is good for you. It is your gut brain that knows when it's time to do something and when it's time to wait, and where your sense of identity and knowing what's you and what's not you resides. It is your gut instinct that helps keep you safe from harm, and that helps you know what you can stomach and what you can't stomach, what fits you and what's for perhaps someone else or for some other time. You have your gut, your enteric brain, your instinct, and you are more than this. And bring your attention now to your spirit self, your higher self, this larger part of you that connects you to Source, to God, to all that is. However you think about this larger part of you. Your connection to infinite intelligence, your soul. And notice your spirit, your soul, your higher self, and that you are more than this. And this whole self, your spirit, your mind, your body, your heart, this whole self is always here. It is your whole self sitting in this moment. It is your whole self that goes to work in the morning or helps get the children to school. It is your whole self washing the dishes or buying groceries. It is your whole self praying or meditating. It is your whole self crying and your whole self laughing with delight. This is your whole self, and you are more than this.